Assalamualaikum to all my panelists. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Khairul Ikhwan bin Kamarul Zaman Senik. Now I'm going to present my final year project, which is the study of the manufacturing waste management towards the circular economy at an aerospace industry. My project is the case study for the two companies. They have 5 content of my presentation. First, problem statement, then the objective, followed by methodology, result and discussion, last but not least the conclusion. Now move to the problem statement of my study. The problem is one analysis tool does not sufficient to find out which product is better for the environment. Since the aerospace industry utilize the different materials and process that has possibility to give negative impact on the environment. One analysis tool does not sufficient because it has own limitation in order to analyze the product to measure the fineness of the certain product. So it has difficulties to make decision which product is better for the environment. Some concurrent industries still implement the conventional concept, which is the linear economy instead of circular economy approach when the product reach the end of the lifespan. The linear economy means the resource asset used to make product and end up as a waste and emission. In comparison, the circular economy means it reducing the use of non-renewable resources, lowering carbon emission, and aim for the zero waste. Now move to the objective of my study. There has 3 objectives of my study, which the first objective is to assess the product environmental impact at the production, utilization, and disposal phase. This is to discover which phase lead to the negative impact on the environment. The second objective is to identify the hierarchy of waste handling use based on disposal phase of the product at the end of the lifespan. This is to find out the product implement the circular economy concept or not. The last objective is which is the objective 3 of my study is to integrate 2 analysis tools to make decision maker which product is better in terms of waste management as to promote the transition of the circular economy. This is to decide which product is better for environment in terms of waste management. Now move to the methodology of my study. This figure shows the flowchart of my study. First, identify the problem, then define objectives and scope, followed by the literature review, which is based on the previous research to find out the suitable analysis tool in order to measure the sustainability. Then make the development of method, then collect the data at the 2 company, which is the aerospace and medical company, which is the primary and secondary data. Then proceed to the analysis. The first analysis is Eco Indicator 99, which is achieved for my objective 1. Eco Indicator 99 to assess the environmental impact. Then the second analysis, which is Waste Hierarchy Index, to discover it implement the circular economy or still using the linear economy, which is achieve my objective 2. Then the third one is integrate of the tool, which is Eco Indicator Waste Hierarchy Index, to make the decision which product is better on the environment in terms of waste management, which is achieve my objective 3. Then count out the result and discussion for and conclusion. Then we'll have the recommendation, report completion and submission, and the end of my study. The first analysis tool of my study is Eco Indicator 99. The Eco Indicator 99 has fit value, which is the fit value indicate the material or action impact. All of the data will be multiplied with the fit indicator value. But for the use phase, there has specific formula, which is the raw data need to be converted for the relevant unit, which is the ton kilometer, before multiply with the fit indicator value. In order to complete analysis of Eco Indicator 99, the echo point of the all phase production, use and disposal phase need to be summed up to come out the grand total of the echo point for the certain product. The second analysis tool for my study is waste hierarchy index. At the end of the waste hierarchy index analysis, it will come out with the waste index for each product to discover the product implement the concept of circular economy or still using the linear economy. All of the data will use based on the disposal phase of eco indicator. The analysis will be used the specific formula of waste hierarchy index. The last analysis tool of my study is Eco WHI. This is the integration of two analysis tools, which is Eco Indicator 99 and Waste Hierarchy Index. The echo point of echo indicator 99 will be multiplied with the decimal value of waste hierarchy index. This integration of two analyses used as the decision maker if the echo point of the product have the same value. So it need to integrate the waste hierarchy index to find out which product is better for the environment in terms of waste management. Now move to the result and discussion. The table show the raw data for the aerospace company. They have 7 main product of their company. The product have the different weight, different material and different process. But in this case, it have the same transportation and distance. Since it is first year, which is delivered to the one place to be assembled the part of the aircraft. Their product will be recycling at the end of the lifespan, in which the aircraft component will be disassembled and recycled. This table shows the result eco indicator for the product 1, which is the amount of material or process will be multiplied with the indicator to come out with the result. And then for the distance, needs to be use the formula to convert the unit, which is the ton kilometer, before multiply with the indicator to come out the result. And then to complete this analysis, needs to sum up all the 3 phases, which is the production phase, use phase and disposal phase, to come out the grand total of eco point of the product. So it's shown that product 1 have the over 19,000 of eco point. So this one for the product 2, the product 2 shown the grand total of eco point is over 18,000. For the product 3, it shown the grand total for the eco point product 3 is over 2,000, and for the product 4, the eco point for the product 4 is over 17,000. For the product 5, the result shown is only over 100 of eco point. Then for the product 6, the grand total of eco point is over 4,000. For the product 7, it's only over 12,000 of the eco point. This is summarized table for the eco point for the 7 product of aerospace company. It can be concluded that production phase has the highest value, means it leads to the damage of the environment. The negative value at the disposal phase means it's better for environment since their product recycled at the end of the lifespan. Based on the table, it shown the product 1, product 2, and product 4 has the highest eco point that lead to the damage on environment. The factor that contribute to the high eco point is the material and the process itself. Move to the second analysis, which is the waste hierarchy index. This table is raw data for the waste hierarchy index, which is based on the dispersal phase of the eco indicator 99. On this table, it shown that it have a different material, different weight, and same waste handling. This is the example of waste hierarchy index calculation, which is for the product 1. The calculation only will be shown for the one product, since the result will be the same because the same waste handling approach at the end of the lifespan of product, which is the recycling. So it will have the same index, which is the 100%. So this is the table result for the waste hierarchy index for the 7 product of aerospace company, which is the 100%. It means positive index means better for environment, that can preserve the sustainability as well implement the concept of circular economy. Move to the last analysis, which is the Echo WHI, the integration between two tools, which is the Echo Indicator 99 and Waste Hierarchy Index. So this is the table, the result for the Echo WHI for the 7 product of the aerospace company. But for my case study, there has no same value for the echo point. So it already can decide which product is better for the environment in terms of waste management. For example, product 5 has the lowest value of echo point. So it means it has the negative impact on the environment. Based on the result, it shown the product 5 have the lowest value, then followed by product 3, product 6, product 7, product 4, product 2, and product 1. Based on the graph also, it can conclude that product 1, product 2, and product 4 has the highest echo indicator that lead to the damage on the environment. The damage on the environment based on the echo indicator guideline is refer to the damage for the 3 damage, which is damage to the human health, damage on the ecosystem quality, and damage to the resources. So company can be considered for the 3 product for make the improvement in order to minimize or reduce the impact of the environment to preserve the sustainability. And the high value of eco indicator is the factor of the material and the process itself, because it use the aluminium material and electroplating, which has the high value of fit eco indicator. This is the assumption data for the further study. Based on this table, they have assumption data for the 5 product. For the echo point, the lowest echo point means it's better for the environment. But in this case, the product 2 and product 5 have the same lowest value of echo indicator. So it cannot be decided which product is better. So it needs the integration between the echo indicator 99 and waste hierarchy index to come out with the result to discover which product is better for the environment. So based on the graph, it's shown that this is same value, so it cannot be decided which product is better. So after the integration between two tools, the result shown that product 5 is more better than the product 2, since it has the lowest value compared to the product 2. So it's mean product 5 better for the environment in terms of waste management. Move to the conclusion. It can be concluded at the end of my study, it can discover which phase of product has high possibility that can damage on the environment. Based on the result, Eco Indicator 99 production phase contribute to the high echo point that can damage to the environment, which is achieved for the objective 1. Based on the waste hierarchy index, the aerospace product shown it has the 100% of waste hierarchy index. So it means the study revealed the aerospace product absolutely implement the concept of circular economy instead of use linear economy, which is achieved for the my objective 2. The need to integrate two analysis as the decision maker if have the same value of echo indicator to be decide which product is better for the environment in terms of waste management as to promote the circular economy, which is achieved for the my objective 3. That's all my presentation for the my final year project. Thank you for the all panels.